தம்ஸ் அப் பண்ணுங்க, தம்ஸ் அப் கொடுங்க. வீடியோ தான் சார், ஃபோட்டோகிராஃபர் வராங்க சார் அவங்க. ஒரு நிமிஷம் கையெடுத்து என்ன இங்கிட்டு வாங்க, டக்குனு வாங்க தம்பி, இங்கிட்டு வாடமா.
maximum wherever it is. Our focus is like lottery. I mean, I probably think we are only software guys probably. Yeah. Everybody seems to be hardware person. Yeah, everybody is software, but the software is inside a box, the software is inside. Thank you, sir. Okay, thank you.
So our next prize for Netting and Mr. Sylvester Joseph.
Okay. मैम कौन सा साइड है मैम? मैम मैम साइड से वरा
You have to say this. So then, okay, right, thank you.
So Cyrotech Networks.
கொஞ்சம் ஃபாஸ்ட்டாக வாங்கினேன் கொஞ்சம் ஃபாஸ்ட்டாக நீங்கள் ஃபோட்டோ நின்று எடுத்துக்கலாம் நல்லா தள்ளி வாங்கினேன் வீடியோ லைவ் கொஞ்சம் நீங்கள் நின்று எடுத்துக்கலாம் Telugu. அவன் எங்கே ஒருத்தன் கூட காணோம். ஒருத்தன் கூட பக்கத்தில் இல்லை.
My rural demand is coming around 500 meters of the range.
Sir, analog systems. Mr. Anubhav Kumar is the
So, say ONTs, basically we are the leading manufacturers in cooling. Acha. ONTs we are the... So you are making that Android plus ONT?
Android, sir, right now we are making that cable CATV, like single line only. And we are having this Android box apart from that. Yes.
But comes with hybrid boxes.
We are working on it, sir. Actually, we are telling model आता है 360. We are having 360 model. Right now we are having, but हमने थोड़ा भी डिफर ये करते हैं कि we are making different. Android box we are making separately and single line
ये Android box से क्या फायदा अगर
sir, basically cable TV
जब मैं ONT लगा देते हैं, हम MI या Amazon Fire Stick लेते हैं, so how much this will cost to customer?
this will cost around some 18
Make in India वाला स्टोरी आ रहा है.
that is when we are making
ये पूरा डिजाइन डेवलप होता है या चिपसेट से बनाया है?
design and developed by only we have designed it.
Full Android. So the V4 certificate is what?
This is right now so we are actually
The V1 or V4?
just we are not in last 4 days back we are not so we are working on it
ये 1000 से कम तो वाले
sir actually हमारे पास पहले एक मॉडल था लेकिन बट कैरेक्टर हम इसमें एंड्रॉइड बॉक्स के साथ कंप्लीट है इसमें वो भी डालते हैं वॉइस के सेटअप के साथ मार्केट में जो चीज़ हमें बहुत सस्ते में 1500
हमारी तरफ से कस्टमर पॉइंट ऑफ व्यू से सस्ता जो होता है
वो बात बिल्कुल ठीक है हमारे पास एक मॉडल और आता है सुधार से
फीचर सारे चाहिए आजकल कस्टमर को सस्ता
तो
मतलब
फॉर दैट वी हैव टू हमें इसके लिए थोड़ा सा
मैं
काम
पूछ रहा हूँ
करना
व्हाट मॉल सारी है
मतलब वो चीज़ें रिमूव करते कि वैसी को मिलेगी कस्टमर के
इस सबके साथ में क्या वॉल्यूम तो ये 1000 जाने के चांस
इस सबके साथ में
कितना वॉल्यूम हो तो सब बस ऐसा करेंगे.
एक फिक्स कॉस्ट कितनी है तुम्हारी इसकी
इसकी हमारी से लगभग 13,500
फिक्स कॉस्ट
हम 16,500 लाइक आर कॉस्ट दैट्स
डिवाइड 50 पैसा और 20 जाए सो कोई बाल बार फिगर वॉल्यूम का कि भाई मेरे 1 लाख अगर एंड्रॉयड बॉक्स जाते हैं तो आई कैन गिव इन 1100 रुपीज़ 2 लाख जाते हैं आई कैन गिव इन 900 रुपीज़ बट बिलो 900 डिस्काउंट को 10 लाख चाहिए तो भी 900 लगेगा ऐसा एक फिगर आउट करो बिकॉज दिस मशीन हैव अ डिमांड मच मोर नंबर वंस यू हैव कॉस्ट
we are just produced it 15 days back. Right now we are just this is just a sample for in the market.
So I don't want an answer immediately.
Yeah.
But
Next time, sir, whenever we will meet, I'll for sure I'll give you that on point.
you come on 1000 level, you will come and meet me in my office.
Yeah, sure.
Don't wait for any.
Thank you, sir.
Okay.
One wallet cost for the vendor.
साथ बैठते हैं।
ये भी एक प्रोडक्ट है अच्छा वही है ना तो बढ़िया प्रोडक्ट है हाँ ये इसके लिए मैं वही कह रहा हूँ
Rubicon, sir. Mr. Karan.
box free. What is the FTTH box?
That's offer we are now bundling with
What is that box?
this one connection.
आगे 45 जैक भी कनेक्टेड
अच्छा LTU के लिए अलग box.
that every service product gives
It's just to as an offer we are bundling so that it can go along with the
are you thinking about that voice voice mode?
yeah voice code is there. Whatever we need is voice code. Voice code again we have it. That is fine. Voice code voice box 20 plus more. Depending what you are doing, buy a single dual band that's a router and in any one of you but you have the ONT and the router all put together in your box only. What is free? This would be an junction box. Previous box is fiber combination from that one.
इसका ये क्या है प्रॉपर इंस्टॉलेशन के लिए पार्टनर को बॉक्स मिलेगा तो इंस्टॉलेशन इजी होगा कस्टमर को लेना देना नहीं है
bundle offer
Exactly after a year.
Please say it, sir. Say it, sir.
I remember you were the yellow cab
Ma'am.
last time.
Please.
So we still have all our product lines. We have increased. So Wi-Fi 6 is also increased. It's getting DC certified. That's it. All products are all DC certified. The entire mix is now DC certified. We're also getting into RASL. We have increased the inside. So all of the cost-effective now under we have the mix. That's more to it. Now we are using that's your product. Very good.
You are making into SFP also?
Single fiber. And 20 kilometers as well. But in the additional offering, which is for switching, we will use up to 120 kilometers. And range goes up to 100 Gs. 100 Gs. That's what
வெளியே நின்றேன்னா ஒரு பசங்களை கூப்பிடுங்கண்ணே பக்கத்தில் நீ இப்போ எடுத்துட்டு ஒன்றும் பிரச்சனை ஒரு கூப்பிடுவாங்க
जब हम ट्रेनिंग करते हैं तो हमारा एक DIT प्रोग्राम होता है
आप किसी करोगे कस्टमर को तो
ना सर हमारे ट्रेनिंग्स हर वर्ग में जाते हैं
कस्टमर आई विल नेवर इमेजिन ऑफ कि मैं इस बॉस में किसी को
सर हमारे ऑनलाइन वीडियोस भी है
घुमा दो
उस प्रकार से तो
कस्टमर से कंप्लेंट मिल नहीं रहा है वो है दूसरा डिवाइस
कॉस्ट भी है और जैसे
उसका टाइम नहीं है ट्रेनिंग के लिए
इसको पता हो कि
जो जाते नहीं है वो ट्रेनिंग लेकर रहते हैं सही होता है
भारत का ये है
तो उसको बदलना है भाई हम नए भारत की ओर जा रहे हो ठीक है टू टीच
Yes, sir.
सर
Oh, sorry.
நீங்கள் ஓர்ஃபில் ஆயிடுறீங்க.
कस्टमर बेसिस कोई आपकी मैकेनिज्म है आपका सिस्टम अलर्ट दे रहा है वो डिवाइस So how many customers you are serving by this mechanism? How many calls per day are generated? What percentage of customers this call need to be made? Some statistics of that.
The entire solution has got a they have a customer scores. So you define the customer score as 18. There are 5 parameters of one is annual answer. The other one is annual answer. Device itself. So in the device, how much RAM consumed, what the processor.
Capturing is okay.
Yeah.
See, capturing is one part. Okay. But it doesn't help until and unless every day when every customer is facing an issue without complaining that you are facing an issue because of this, you do this yourself, the issue will be resolved.
That's exactly what I'm telling you. I as a customer call basically.
That is what I am saying. I do not just want to call BSNL. No, I think you have everything available. So are you doing without customer making a complaint?
Yes.
Towards customer.
Yeah, what do you can monitor and give a report?
Can nahi. Whether it is it doing their data or whatever. So how many percentage of customers are calling every day without complaint is registered from their side? Is it happening? It's happening. So that is what some percentage is
Very less 0.01.
But ऐसा तो नहीं है कि issue से 0.01 का होता है.
That is because the call center agents are addressing the problem and the customer is calling. That's also there.
So वो ठीक है वो पूरी दुनिया का पुराना 50 साल से है. कस्टमर कॉल करेगा so you find out. I want to say that we have everything with us. All system. So I can't create a mechanism to reiterate to the customer that you are facing an issue. That can be on WhatsApp, that can be on call. If WhatsApp response doesn't come, customer's problem continues. When the problem is within their device ecosystem, within their house, which can be resolved by the customer himself. You will get a WhatsApp, next day also we alert the same customer, third day also alert same customer, fourth day you make a call. So there are so many customers who are adjusting, grunting, frustrated, and one fine day they leave. There are, I as a customer, I am facing problems with my TV for the last 4 months. So I have a smart TV of 70,000 rupees. I am using the Fire Stick because something is not working there. For some OTT packs, for some it is working. So I mean, calling the TV manufacturer, he has a good helpline, must be having. I don't have time or patience or bandwidth or energy. So I keep my own one Friday. Now I have decided that let us change the TV. I don't want to do.
This has got proactive monitoring. You can take reports of any
It's not like whether anything is being done.
power level reports or Wi-Fi performance. Landscape issues.
वो इससे उसके figures लेगा.
You have already done so.
मुझे पैसा मुझे इम्प्रूवमेंट करना है. हमारा DRC क्या होता है? 3 साल से देख रहे हैं. अब देखिए आप सिस्टम हो गया. लोगों से पॉलिसी हो गई. अब वो चीज़ है कि सिस्टम में कैसे यूजर की है. दूसरे मुझे कॉल करने का टाइम है. व्हाट्सएप करेंगे. 50% का रिस्पॉन्स करेंगे. करना है. ठीक है. I'll meet. No issue on that. But तो पिछले साल से कुछ नया प्रोडक्ट.
So sir, we are introducing that Wi-Fi 6, which is with OpenWRC OS, with our own OS, my OS. We started our software center in Chennai also. So we more focused towards the software partners like customers. We are supporting
डॉक्टर की दवाई के नाम पे दे दो.
GX is doing really well. We have understood from the partners also. voice notes are have increased the odds for the because this is we are more focused towards the BSNL partners, two LAN and one voice. Earlier we have like one LAN and which is not supported for the voice. So we do the AirTech chipset. We are with the aggressive price. Because if you are not, it's a single price. That's helping them motivate. So, and Veena madam and some all are supporting us to this kind of
Yeah, Veena ma'am.
madam is really supporting us because when we are talking to the operator, they are giving us the requirements and I need this software customization, that software customization. For 20 to 30 minutes, no vendor is ready to do it. But we are supporting them. Like for recently, I supplied 50 ONG to Kerala customer who is genuinely supporting only BSNL. No obviously supporting. So say that sir, I need to same like Airtel, I need something to me. So I said that for okay, one we are giving to firmware to you. So we given that Angamali BSNL, something like that. So the firmware was then loaded. Left side is James Logo, second right side is Angamali and BSNL. So the only one that is no profit. So if they switch to another internet system, it will not support. And second thing is, once the operator is login, they can see that this is Angamali. The migration we can stop. So this kind of stopping, how you can enforce on the partners.
अभी हमने कर तो दिया है नहीं अभी कितना चल रहा है पता नहीं
Because they have not logged or the partner has to
Partner is asking to us.
जब तक ये नहीं करेंगे तो वो आपके सप्लाई में
They have been tested for network blockages.
Actually, the team, actually, sir, this kind of innovative idea is getting from BSNL team. That's
it is coming from them and they are
yes, same as BSNL team. This is good. Thank you, sir.
Excuse me, sir.
Fiber splicing. What is the cheapest handheld splicing machine? How much is this costing?
90,000 for customers, for retail customers.
19.
90.
90.
But it can
And how many fibers? Single fiber.
they have inbuilt, sir. Cutter and thermal stripper all are inbuilt.
How much is this ribbon fiber splicing machine costing?
Around 2 lakh 20,000.
And they have 6 fiber type.
6 fiber, 12 up to 12 fiber. 6,
No, also
4, 6, 8, and 12. Yeah. We supply BSNL.
And now we are doing this Bharat production now. So a lot of PIAs will be size 16 fiber. Better performing at a cheaper cost. So if you use their cost in India, they can make a more competitive.
So this is for 6 fiber.
No. The minimum is here 24, and then 48, and then going up to 28 is some.
No, that is a ribbon you are total ribbon.
Total ribbon also. 48 is total ribbon. 24 is new.
we have
all armored projects.
already we are our we are Google by our classification final stage of this.
So what we should do, we should start agencies who are producing ISL and Bharat. Because now another 4 weeks time. Pan India.
But in that your classification
I am taking a turnkey rate from them. So they will see what best turnkey rate is based on their cost of operation. It's a 10-year OEM contract. So they have to lay and they have to maintain for 10 years.
for maintenance purpose they
For laying also, because there is a laying of almost maybe 2.5 lakh.
லைட் வருதா பாருங்க ஃப்ரெண்டில் பாருங்க ஃப்ரெண்டில் சூஸ் வருதா பாருங்க வருது
Doesn't go 40, one small to feed, once without
yes
everywhere it is important.
Sir, Optilink, Mr. Anupam Dutta.
अच्छा वो That's right.
single band one gig and one Wi-Fi and the difference
So ये सिग्नल डेटा में मतलब only you have to plug in.
Non-Wi-Fi.
Non-Wi-Fi but voice भी है. इसमें क्या कॉस्ट डिफरेंस है दोनों? 150 between with voice without voice. वॉइस तो हमारा है और इन दोनों के बीच में कितना डिफरेंस है? 300. इसका वॉल्यूम ज़्यादा हो तो ये डिफरेंस कम होगा, कितना कम होगा? तो ये अभी सिंगल बैंड है 1200 प्लस GST
1250 plus
क्या मतलब विद इन दैट
this is dual band
GST
and you can work
Hybrid box coming up, Android plus OLT.
different process it will take some time to yes
ट्रस्टेड प्रोडक्ट में है GST मतलब ये तो फिर अपने को 1500 मिलेगा.
Any provisions or ZTP features in between ZTP in TRO and AI integrations part?
No, right now we are looking only TRC.
CRC, not ZTP.
दो फाइल दी है कुछ मैंने जहाँ जहाँ चेंजेस किए क्लाउड नंबर प्लेस में पहले ऐसे अलग किया और पासवर्ड में हाईलाइट किया. So, you are ready to come? Yesterday night, sir. Okay, night. But you were not there, right? Yes, sir.
Mr. Mohammed Raya.
OnePlus One.
लाइव स्ट्रीमिंग ठीक जा रही है मैडम लाइव स्ट्रीमिंग चेक किया ठीक जा रहा है चेक तो नहीं किया पर आपको पता लग गया था कि स्टार्ट कर दिया
DC काम exchange में हुआ. So इसी में आपने किसी का PC का डाला हुआ. यहाँ से आ रहा है पावर उससे वो
So, Madam Veena and Mr. Krishna Kumar, our agent and our
Accurate results powered by friendly mapping. Don't let outdated processes hold you back. Embrace the future with smarter skill and supercharge your
தம்பி பின்னாடி வா
experience.
சார் சார்
Contact us for more information.
அண்ணே அண்ணே எடுத்து வாங்க நீங்கள் விடுங்க
We are very proud and happy to have you here. Ladies and gentlemen, we are delighted to announce the arrival of our most honorable chief guest, Shri Vivek Bansal, Director, CFA, BSNL Corporate Office, accompanied by our beloved CGM, Shri Tamil Mani Sir, and other dignitaries. Let's all rise and welcome them with a round of applause. Our chief guest of the day, Honorable Director, CFA, Shri Vivek Bansal, and our Honorable CGM. Hearty welcome to you, sirs. Ladies and gentlemen, please take your seats. A gentle reminder to once again put your mobile phones into silent mode. Let's turn our attention to the significance of this event. This program has been meticulously organized by BSNL to honor the winners of Bharat Fiber Champion League for the fourth quarter of the financial year 2023-24. Our award winners include BSNL Business Partners, BSNL Bharat Fiber Managers, Business Area Heads, and the circles that have demonstrated outstanding performance at the national level in the growth of fiber to home services. After all the hard work and dedication, it's time to acknowledge and celebrate their remarkable success. We are deeply honored to have with us Sri Vivek Bansal, Director CFA as our SG Chief Guest of the Day. Thank you, sir, for gracing us with your presence and making us feel truly special. Well, when the organizers of an event are so special, can the venue and ambience be left behind? Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to the enchanting Kodaikanal, fondly known as the Prince of Hill Stations. Nestled amidst the serene beauty of nature, Kodaikanal offers the perfect setting for our championship leagues, inspiring us all with a tranquil and majestic atmosphere. So once again, a hearty welcome and once again a gentle reminder to put your mobile phones in this silent mode. Tamil, among the most ancient and resilient languages globally, is renowned for its exquisite charm and dynamic essence. The Tamil anthem serves as a reminder to our linguistic and Dravidian heritage, echoing the pride ingrained within our hearts. The Tamil Thai Varthu glorifies not only our language but also our enduring civilization spanning 5,000 years, our open literary legacy, our distinctive cultural essence, and our all-encompassing cultural heritage. Now, Team Tamil Nadu extends a warm embrace to all those gracing us from every corner of our nation with the resounding power of Tamil Thai Varthu. I request everyone to rise in honor.
வாசனை போல் அனைத்துலகும் இன்பமுற எத்திசையும் புகழ் மணக்க இருந்த பெரும் தமிழனங்கே தமிழனங்கே உன் சீரிலமை திறமியந்து செயல் மறந்து வாழ்த்துதுமே வாழ்த்துதுமே வாழ்த்துதுமே.
Thank you. You may kindly take your seats.
Yeah.
What a mesmerizing dance performance. Hope you all enjoy. Ladies and gentlemen, we move on to the formal function. Let's welcome our chief guest of the today's with a big round of applause. Welcome, sir. Our beloved Honorable CGM of Tamil Nadu Circle, Shri D. Tamilmani, personality behind the entire show. Hearty welcome to you, sir. Now, as we move forward, it's time to light the lamp. Lighting of the lamp symbolizes an auspicious beginning, and it's a tradition that holds great significance for us. It marks the commencement of our event and sets the tone for the festivities ahead. I would like to request our chief guest, Shri Vivek Bansal, Director CFA, along with our most beloved CGM, Shri Papa Sudhakar Rao, CGM, Chennai Telephones, Shri Kirlani Govintikam Das, CGM ITPC, and Shri DM L. Buddhan, CGM BBNL, to kindly come forward and light the ceremonial lamp, thereby inaugurating the mega function. We have Shri Vivek Bansal, our chief guest, Shri D. Tamilmani, Shri Papa Sudhakar Rao, CGM Chennai Telephones, Shri Kirlani Govintikam Das, CGM ITPC, and Shri D.M. L. Buddhan, CGM BBNL, lighting the ceremonial lamp. What an auspicious beginning to this occasion. The grand function being inaugurated. We all know as Bharatiya, no function is considered complete without this beautiful ritual. The ceremonial lamp, as we call Kuttu Vilakku in Tamil, has been lit. Thank you, gentlemen, once again. Thank you, sirs.
இப்போ ரெக்கார்ட் மட்டும் தான் வச்சிருக்கேன். அது தெரியக்கூடாது. அந்த ரெக்கார்ட் மட்டும் எப்படி ஆஃப் பண்ணுறது? கேமரானா ஏன்னா ஒரு சில கேமராவில் நம்ம அதை அதுலேருந்து அவுட் எடுத்துருக்கோம்ல.
Good morning to all of you. Welcome to Kodaikanal, a hilly station in Madurai BA of Tamil Nadu Circle. First of all, I thank our respected CMD, Director CFA, for having given this opportunity to Tamil Nadu Circle to celebrate this prestigious BFCM program 2024 at Kodaikanal, where all achievers of FTDH businesses will be honored by our respected Director CFA sir. It is my pleasure and today that I got an opportunity to welcome all of you for this prestigious function. On this occasion, I welcome most respected Director CFA sir, Sri Vivek Bansal sir, who is instrumental in making the FTTH business in BSNL a grand success. And due to which we are here to celebrate this joyous moments. Sir, you have made us to perform better and best. You have made us to realize our potential and made us to deliver the best results. Sir, I still remember your one word of advice to me as head of Tamil Nadu Circle. In the 23rd of October monthly meeting,
இந்த கேமரால இருந்தா லைவ் போகுது.
இது லைவ் போலையா?
அது ரெண்டையும் மாத்தி போடுறாங்க. இந்த டிவைஸை கழட்டி இந்த கேமரால போட்டுருங்க. டிவைஸை கழட்டி இந்த கேமரால போட்டுருங்க.
So that made us to perform.
சரி அதுல இருக்கட்டும் ஒரு நிமிஷம் அதுல இருக்கட்டும்.
I realized for 2 days I was thinking about the word what we were done. I was thinking. Then I came out with an idea how to make the progressive growth in Tamil Nadu Circle. We have been driving hard, my entire BA heads, the entire team of Tamil Nadu Circle, they were working very hard, due to which we could get overall #1 position in Circle Head CFA category A Circle in the whole BSNL. This achievement could be possible only because of your one word advice given to me, I think on 28th October 23 monthly meeting, sir. We could achieve the revenue targets set by CMD and Board of Directors to Tamil Nadu Circle only with the great contribution of the FTTH revenue earned by our circle, more than the last year. And thus the FTTH business growth has helped very greatly to our circle to achieve the revenue targets fixed by CMD. Sir, you are a visionary leader who have navigated all of us to go through challenges and propelled us towards the success. You have guided us all through how to make the FTTH growth exponentially increasing. You have given us lot of tips and ideas to increase the FTTH customers base, etc., etc. I, on behalf of Tamil Nadu Circle, wholeheartedly with immense pleasure, welcome you to grace this function and hand over the shields, certificates and prize coupons to the achievers in the various categories throughout the circle. Thank you. I also welcome my beloved colleagues CGMs who have come from various parts of the country in this function. I welcome all PGMs, senior GMs, GMs, DGMs, AGMs, CFO, SDEs, AOs, JTOs, JAOs, and all officers and staff of all the circle to grace this occasion at Kodaikanal. A special welcome to my BA heads of Tamil Nadu Circle, all BBMs from various circles and partners of affiliate business to grace this occasion. It is expected that through this function, arranged for honoring the ground barriers of affiliate businesses, for having made affiliate growth a grand success in BSNL, and we all will take a oath on this special day to rededicate ourselves to surpass the whatever number of connections we have given during the last year to make in this year also. On behalf of the Tamil Nadu Circle and on my own behalf, I congratulate the BFCL winners for the year 2023-24. Our BA colleagues, BSNL colleagues of Madurai BA, consisting of Madurai OA, Virudhunagar OA and Karaikudi OA and Tamil Nadu Circle of Chennai have been working for the past 1 month or so and made every effort to ensure that each and every one of you is comfortable and enjoy your stay at Kodaikanal. In case of any shortcomings are there, kindly tell us, we will do our best to make you momentous occasion at Kodaikanal. Thank you very much. I welcome you one and all for this function. Thank you.
Thank you, sir. As our Honorable CJ was pointing out, in just 4 years, BSNL's FTTH connections surged from 5.4 lakhs in 2020 to an impressive 38.9 lakhs, showcasing remarkable growth. This achievement is the result of collective action from dedicated ground warriors, that is the BBMs, and to the invaluable contribution of our partners across entire circles. The tireless efforts of the CFA teams, CGMs, GMs, and the pivotal role of ITPC, BBNW have been instrumental. However, seamless coordination would not have been possible without the support of the corporate office team. At the helm of this coordinated effort stands our Honorable Director, CFE, Corporate Office, Sri Vivek Banjul. Under his leadership, stakeholders were nurtured and guided with innovative ideas and meticulous coordination, ensuring the well-being of partners and OEMs. The remarkable feat achieved with the excellent support of our Honorable CMD speaks volume about Vivek Banjal's caliber and vision. A distinguished officer whose profound knowledge has been instrumental in guiding us. Let's once again welcome him with a floral bouquet. What an honor to have Sir as our chief guest of today's event. Humbly request our Honorable Chief Guest to grace us with his presence on the podium and deliver the inaugural address. We are all ears, sir.
Vanakkam. Namaskar. Good morning to all my champions. And when I say champions, the champions is my team of partners and my team of BBMs. And nurtured by the business area heads, their OA teams, BA teams, inspired by their circle heads, who are the true leaders, facilitated by the two marvelous teams of ITPC and BBNW, led by their CGMs, and constantly driven by the CFA headquarter team for making them champions. And a very important role is played by all our OEMs who are also present here today, whose equipment make this whole journey successful. Last but not the least, the fantastic team of Madurai BA, who has given such a welcome today morning, that the whole mood of festivity set in since morning when we saw a grand welcome to all of us. I appreciate, congratulate for such a good effort, such a meticulous welcome. And finally, the wonderful welcome dance which we have seen on the stage. Generally what happens, the welcome address is the first address is a boring list of, who has come. But here it changed when we had a surprise, beautiful dance by the 6 girls who performed here. I'll first name those champions, the BS from where they belong, partners coming from Bangalore, Chennai, Hyderabad, Kolkata, Varanasi, Agra, Lucknow, Rewari in Haryana. Many of you must have not heard the name Rewari. It's a big BA in Haryana. And then Bikaner, Alwar and Kharagpur. Not in the same rank, I'm just reading out. Then also the BBMs which have come from Ambala, that is again in Haryana, Chennai, Bangalore, Kolkata and Kharagpur. And then we had some BA head champions also, which have come from Ajmer, Siliguri in Assam, Kharagpur in West Bengal, Kolkata, Chandigarh, Hyderabad and Bangalore. So I acknowledge the effort you all made. And I am happy to be amongst all of you with cheerful, enthusiastic faces and a sense of commitment which you project when I meet you. Last year, 23-24, we had surpassed some major milestones. Now we have more than 50,000 OLTs in our network. We have very close to 4 million customer base of FTTH. And we have also crossed 24,000 TB of data on a daily basis. I'll not narrate 2 lakh mark in March because I want 2 lakh mark in 3 consecutive months before I narrate it. I want a sustainable business model, not a one-off, one day, 1 week or 1 month achievement. Yes, that is important because it gives you a confidence that this is what your true potential is. And if it can be achieved for that day, that week, that month, that means it can be achieved on all the days, all the weeks and all the months. So these achievements make us confident, make us realize our potential, that many more milestones which we have to achieve, we are truly capable of. And how we can plan, how we can put our plan into the execution so that we are able to achieve all those major milestones which we have. Now when I say major milestone, I always say just one thing. Think big. Your target should not be based on what you have achieved last year. Your target should not be what you have been achieving throughout the previous months. Make a zero-based budgeting, zero-based target. Your target is the territory where you are working, whether you are a partner, you are a BBM, you are a OA head, BA head, circle head. How many number of homes are there? And make 3 targets, short term, medium term, long term. When I say short term, that means you have to plan for next 3 months. When I say medium term, you have to plan for 1 year. And when I say long term, you have to plan for next year and year onwards. Because this is a process wherein you start thinking which area to select. And then this cycle concludes by actually providing the FTTH connection. It can be sometimes 1 year also. So for 24-25, ideally we all should have planned in January 24. Today, your long-term plan should be for 25-26, and medium-term plan is for this financial year, and short-term plan is for next 3 months. And when I say number of homes, we have a variety of degree of penetration across different geographies, which gives me a confidence that if one area, one OA, one BA can achieve this, that means every OA, every area and every BA can achieve this. So those who have yet to achieve 5%, they have a target to reach 5% homes. Those who have achieved 5%, they should plan for 10%. Those who have crossed 10%, they should plan for 20%. And you can set in your own targets, irrespective of whatever targets have been assigned to you. Let those targets be the IPMS targets or your APAR targets. But for celebrations like this, you should have the targets based on how many number of homes you have in your area. And just to give you an example that how much it can be, Lakshadweep is an area where the penetration is more than 50% homes. I think this is the last count. CGM Kerala may deliberate if it has crossed further 60% or not. So it's around 55% homes. And I had visited 2 islands of Lakshadweep very recently. I don't find those many numbers of Pakka houses in Lakshadweep. It's a very small geography, very limited business potential, but the requirement of FTTH as a Ghar Ka Wi-Fi is a now must have in every home where you have a mobile handset or a smart TV or a TV with an Android box or somebody in your house doing work from home or study from home or any number of applications. I have seen in villages jewelry shops putting up CCTV with an FTTH and leaving the jewelry shops open in the lunchtime and watching that CCTV footage at their home. In the villages I am talking. So therefore the penetration going up to 55% we have achieved in one geography. If I say we have to achieve 20%, I am conservative in setting of the targets. The next success mantra is whatever you are planning, you have to execute it faster, at a fast pace. Because we are not the alone to serve the customer. There are many players, local, Indian, pan-Indian, and time to come, global also, when this LEO satellite services sets in. So therefore, faster we are able to achieve, faster we will have dominance in the market, faster you will have a sustainable revenue share. You are required to make efforts to reach 5, 10, 15, 20%. After you reach 20% penetration, you don't have to go to seek the customer. Customer will be coming to you seeking the services. And that is when I call that the business has become sustainable. It has got its own equilibrium so that now it can further grow and you can concentrate on how to add value to it. And when I say that it is not only simply FTTH putting to the retail customers, there are many potentials for our services in terms of providing the SIP connectivity, providing the value-added services, where the actual physical work still remains the same, laying a fiber from the nearest point of presence to the customer premises. But that fiber, that magical, wonderful fiber can take host of services which are charged differently to the customer while the maintenance efforts remains the same. The revenue to the partner, the revenue to the BSNL is all based on the software configurations which we do in our system. So it becomes a very important part if you want to maximize your revenues from the effort which you are putting up by laying a physical fiber right up to the customer premises. Our journey had been successful because of lot of digital IT systems, digital IT innovations, which we have been doing continuously for last 5 years. I thank all my partners and BA teams who have raised the requirement that, sir, now we want this. If this happens, probably we will grow more, probably we will grow faster, probably it will be more easier for us to concentrate on business than on some petty issues. And thanks to the team of ITPC and BBNW, that they have, and of course, some IT teams from the circles also, especially mentioning Kerala, Tamil Nadu, Karnataka, and Andhra, who have developed, and Punjab, who have developed some IT innovations which are now pan-India implemented. And so, we are able to change the complete system in last 5 years' time, just to make it easier for our teams to deliver services, just to make it easier for our partners to interact with BSNL, and just to make it easier for BSNL to effect the revenue share payments to our partners. Going forward in 24-25, we are going to have some more innovations. As we always want, customer first is our mantra. So customer related few innovations we will be doing in this financial years. Some have already started at a POC stage in somewhere, and some have already started pan-India basis also, but they need to be propagated, promoted, and popularized across all the sectors, whether it is customers, partners, our own field teams, our own BA heads, our own circle teams. First is we are going a very big way implementation of something called TR069. It's a technical term. Few only understand what does it mean. Even I was not aware of it 3 years back when I heard it for the first time. It came from someone who belonged to some other TSP, some interaction was going on. So, he narrated this is all is possible. And then when I spoke to my team, few members of my team knew what it is. And last 3 years we have been trying. Now we have reached to a stage that we have already started implementation in Trivandrum BA and Kerala Circle, and we have a plan to roll it out pan-India. What does it actually do? It gives you a complete window of how a customer is using our FTTH services. Whether he is using for his Wi-Fi, whether he is using for his TV viewing, how many devices are concurrently connected, what is the requirement of customer speed, how much speed he has actually subscribed, whether he is having a proper router or our ONT position, whether his house is big or small, which can be served by a single bed ONT, dual bed ONT, or he needs some routers. All that information is made available by the system on a real-time basis, peeping into the customer's ONT. And that gives a very important tool for two types of customers. One, who are complaining. So we are able to resolve their complaints by exactly knowing whether the issue is faced within his house or whether the issue pertains to something which is beyond his house towards partner or towards partner to BSNL Media Link. Second, there are much more customers who don't complain, but they get frustrated with the services. And then one fine day when they get an opportunity to switch over or look for some alternate arrangement for their data requirement, they silently switch over. And it will be very important for all the field teams to proactively reach out to these customers by this TR069 implementation. So it's going to be a very big game changer only when all our teams in the field are able to understand what it is and are able to communicate with the customers. The second is we have already gone for the higher speeds in our existing plans starting from April 1st. So that will give us an edge towards our services. And because lot of equipment for increment of the capacity of data handling has already been commissioned, more is already in the pipeline on site, already delivered. So we are confident that we'll be able to sustain the higher speeds. The second important thing is the data business is not something like voice business, because there is no dedicated pipe assigned to any customer, or for that matter any network element. So 24 hours capacity which we have is not utilized for half the day out of 24 hours on 12 hours time. By increasing the speed, I am able to give chance to those customers to get better speeds when my pipe is not fully occupied, and which is almost 50% of the time in a 24-hour span. Somebody uses in the morning time, somebody uses in the evening time, somebody in night, somebody in day. Requirements of different users are different. So this increasing speed with the same capacity also is going to help those customers who are using it in the off-peak hours. Moreover, as we are increasing our bandwidth pipes and capacity, this is going to benefit all the customers for that 24-hour window. Third, we have started, I was happy to see 1800-4444 in all the leaflets and banners which I have seen in Kodaikanal, starting from that toll gate where our e-pass was checked. This is a very useful tool. And when I say there are two types of customer, one which complains, one which doesn't even complain. This is important for those customers who doesn't even complain. Why? Because I want to know what issues the customer is facing. And giving a WhatsApp message today is the easiest, simplest, and most user-friendly mechanism to hear from the customer. 2 days back, I was speaking to somebody from Assam spoke to me, some army area, cantonment area. He was the head of the area. So he was not knowing that this facility exists. He was complaining me for some services. I said, sir, have you made any complaints on a WhatsApp? I said, sir, how can I make a complaint on WhatsApp? I send a WhatsApp to your GM. I don't know whether he responds it or not. I said, no, you don't have to send WhatsApp to my GM. You have to send WhatsApp to a number 1800-4444. He said, sir, I was not knowing this. Now onwards, I'll go. I said, just say hi. You will have a menu. You will be able to see host of services, including you can make complaints as to what is your problem. The important point is, once the customer is able to complain, we'll be able to know what issues are actually my customers is facing, in which areas I want to work, because they can be different in different geographies, and it will not be on a hearsay basis. It will be a real feedback from our customers. And because we have this mechanism, we are going to start, we have already started, I think, the feedback from the customer. Once the complaint is closed, he will be able to rate the services, and by which we will have another mechanism to reward our partners who are getting 5-star rating. Just like any other online platform, we want to also upgrade based on the customer's rating for rewarding our partners. Then another new thing which we are trying is the auto configuration of the customer whenever a new customer is provisioned, for IPv6, for voice, for all the things, so that it's a minimum job which is required to be done by partners team at the time of provisioning to the customer. There will be many more coming in this year. These are the ones I am able to count and list to you, which I will be doing for the customer care. The second important criteria is the interface between partner and BSNL. So we are going in for a change in the payment to the partner, which is right now going through the wallet. And whenever my single customer makes payment on e-portal or an online payment, the partner gets the revenue. But if the customer doesn't make an online payment, the partner gets the revenue only after he submits the invoice, which is published in the following month. We are changing it, and we will be making 2 times in a month payment to our partners. We have fixed up on 25th of the month and 10th of the month, because by making it on 25th of the month, maximum revenue is collected, and everything will be paid into partner's account directly. And of course, the publishing of invoice and publishing and submission of invoice once a month mechanism will be continued as a third payment for the leftover amounts which are not yet claimed or which are left over. So complete payment mechanism will be changed in coming months. We'll be starting with Haryana from June 1st, and then we'll put it to all the circles. Two major reasons. One, when I interact with my partners, there are very few partners who are systematic in their approach of checking as to what revenue share they are actually getting. And because it is coming in individual customer payments, with the consolidated payment twice a month, you will be able to know that actual how much is the revenue you are earning out of it. So how much you are required to grow for making it a break-even and a profitable business. The second is RBI is changing the regulation, and probably therefore on each payment partnering amount to the customer account will become difficult from first week of June and onwards. So therefore, this change in the mechanism of the payment to the partner will be a very big ease of doing business, and also will be as per the regulatory compliance without putting partners into a delay in the payments. The third is the digital e-agreements. We are already at an advanced stage of implementing the complete onboarding of the partner and the agreements, whether it is new or it is renewal, on the digital platform. There will be no stamp paper signing. It will be all e-stamp paper, digitally signed by partners and BSNL both. So it will have a standard terms of contract, uniform across all India, and standard mechanism how partner and BSNL interaction is going to be in the future. Another new thing which we are trying, we have already started in one of the circles, is an online real-time feasibility model. Whenever a customer's request come, just with the let-along of the customer, a complete detail of how the partner has to run the fiber to the customer, how much fiber, from which splitter, from which OLT, how much distance the customer has, everything will be known to you. There will be detailed deliberation during the day for this facility. The last thing, because everything has been revolving around the IT system, so we are now announcing a new award from this year onwards, which is BSNL CFA Gold Award for IT Innovation, and it will be there for all the teams in the circle, in ITPC, in BBNW, or even with our partners. There are few partners who have implemented good IT system for their own management. We will like everyone to contribute into this, and the one which really changes and revolutionizes will be given this CFA Gold Award for IT Innovation from 24-25 onwards. Lastly, before I conclude, I will put a ultra short-term target for Tamil Nadu Circle, that this is the last Monday you are below 5 lakh. Before next Monday, you should cross 5 lakh FTTH connection customer base. I am sure and confident that before next Monday, you'll be able to cross. I can take a thumbs up from him. So today we have only one circle in this bracket, Kerala. So they'll be given a very good competition from Tamil Nadu. And I want this disease of crossing 5 lakh to spread across circles very fast, so that we can have a celebration for each of such circles. Thank you very much. Dhanyavad.